Shivaji Maharaj met Aurangzeb in Agra on May 12, 1666. After the Treaty of Purandar, Shivaji reached Agra with his son Sambhaji Raje on May 11, 1666. Shivaji Raje Bhosle, son of Jijabai and Shahaji Raje Bhosle, had launched a tremendous campaign against the Mughal invader Aurangzeb at a time when he was at the peak of his glory. Shivaji did not let Aurangzeb breathe a sigh of relief till the end. When Shivaji reached Agra to meet Aurangzeb on repeated requests of Jai Singh, he was not treated well in Aurangzeb's court. When Shivaji protested, he was arrested, after which he was put under house arrest on the orders of Aurangzeb. Gradually, Shivaji realized that by doing this, Aurangzeb was trying to provoke him so that he would do something that would give him an excuse to kill him. But the Mughals had no idea that it was beyond their power to keep Shivaji imprisoned for long. He left Agra fort with his son Sambhaji Raje on August 17, 1666. When Aurangzeb got to know this, he sent his soldiers in every direction in search of Shivaji, but all returned empty-handed. After Shivaji's escape from Agra, his second attack on Surat and the recapture of 23 forts, Aurangzeb was left with no option but to march south. At the same time, in 1674, Shivaji had declared himself the king of an independent state. On May 12, 1459, Rao Jodha founded the captivating city of Jodhpur, renowned as the Sun City and the Blue City. Situated in the heart of the Thar Desert, Jodhpur stands as the second largest city in Rajasthan and holds the legacy of being the capital of a historical princely state. Jodhpur's allure lies in its majestic palaces, formidable forts and enchanting tourist spots, making it a heaven for architecture enthusiasts and travelers alike. The city's handcraft industry not only adds to its charm but also significantly contributes to the country's economy. Beyond its architectural wonders, Jodhpur beckons as a prime destination for weddings, offering a blend of regal splendor and desert romance. Serving as the judicial capital of Rajasthan, Jodhpur hosts the esteemed High Court of the state, while its international airport facilitates global connectivity. Moreover, Jodhpur boasts the presence of prominent government departments including the Meteorological Department, Narcotic Department, Customs and Textile Ministry, further solidifying its significance on the regional and national stage. On May 12, 1993, the world bid farewell to Shamsher Bahadur Singh, a luminary in modern Hindi poetry. Renowned for his experimental and progressive approach, Singh's verses resonated with the ethos of contemporary poetic expression. Singh's masterpiece, marked by collections such as Kuch Kavitaएं, Kuch और कविताएं, इतने पास अपने, चुका भी नहीं हूँ मैं, बात बोलेगी, उदिता और काल तुझसे होड़ है मेरी, embodies a profound engagement with the nuances of modernity and human experience. His poetry transcends labels, drawing admiration from peers and critics alike. Notable accolades, including the Sahitya Akademi Award, Maithili Sharan Gupta Samman and Kabir Samman, underscore Singh's enduring impact on the literary landscape. As Namvar Singh eloquently remarked, Shamsher Bahadur Singh's legacy transcends mere adjectives, reaffirming his stature as a poet of unparalleled depth and vision.
खानदानी लुटेरों की कोशिश होगी बेकार, फिर एक बार मोदी सरकार।
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी।
The ministry offices in Luton's Delhi, Hotel Janapath, as well as airport terminals. Granite Studio India, with its prestigious brands, rich experience, and the trust of our clients, can be your reliable partner. We are here for you, for innovating, processing, supplying, and executing in stone. Contact us today for our special sample kit.
On May 12, 1965, the Soviet Union's Luna 5 spacecraft encountered a setback in its mission to land softly on the moon, crashing about 700 kilometers away from its intended landing site. This mission was part of the broader lunar program initiated in 1959 to explore the lunar surface, spanning until 1976 and comprising 24 spacecraft launches. Luna 5, launched on May 9, 1965, aimed to achieve the milestone of a soft lunar landing. However, technical issues plagued the spacecraft from the outset, culminating in its crash landing on the moon's surface just days after launch. Despite this setback, the lunar program persisted, with subsequent missions continuing to advance lunar exploration. Notably, on August 11, 2023, Russia launched Luna 25 as part of this ongoing endeavor. Regrettably, Luna 25 faced a similar fate, succumbing to technical problems and crashing before achieving its intended soft landing on the moon's south pole. On May 12, 2008, a devastating earthquake struck China's Sichuan province, claiming thousands of lives and causing widespread destruction. With a magnitude of 7.9 on the Richter scale, the earthquake was attributed to the collision of the Indian, Australian, and Eurasian tectonic plates beneath the surface. The seismic activity resulted in significant movement in the Tibet Plateau, shifting it towards the east and creating deep fissures, some up to 9 meters deep in the affected areas. Tragically, around 200 rescue workers lost their lives in landslides triggered by the quake while attempting to aid survivors. The aftermath of the disaster left China grappling with an immense economic toll estimated at $86 billion. The Sichuan earthquake stands as a stark reminder of the destructive power of natural disasters and the importance of preparedness and resilience in the face of such events. Born on May 12, 1820 in Italy, Florence Nightingale is celebrated as the Lady with the Lamp and revered as a pioneer in nursing. Despite opposition from her affluent family, Nightingale pursued her calling and trained as a nurse in Germany. Her dedication shone brightest during the Crimean War, where she treated wounded soldiers in Turkish military hospitals. Night after night, she would traverse the wards with a lamp, earning her the enduring moniker Lady with the Lamp. Upon her return in 1856, Nightingale's selfless service had garnered widespread acclaim. Queen Victoria herself expressed gratitude through a letter, cementing Nightingale's legacy as a symbol of compassion and care. To honor her contributions, International Nurses Day is observed annually on May 12, commemorating the remarkable legacy of Florence Nightingale and the invaluable role of nurses worldwide. Born on May 12, 1899, in Riga, Latvia, Indra Devi, originally Eugene Peterson, emerged as a pioneering figure in yoga, earning the title of the First Lady of Yoga. Inspired by a book on yoga at the age of 15, she embarked on a journey to India in 1927, where she embraced yoga wholeheartedly under the guidance of renowned guru Krishnamacharya. Renaming herself as Indra Devi, she disseminated the teachings of yoga worldwide, becoming the first foreign yoga guru. Her dedication and expertise led to her appointment as President of the International Yoga Federation in 1987. Indra Devi's profound impact on spreading yoga's practice and philosophy transcended borders and generations. She passed away in 2002, leaving behind a legacy that continues to inspire countless practitioners worldwide.